Alright, so we're here for my friend's Eastern bike check.
Okay.
So here we go.
This is our Odyssey Barnes. Awesome. Aaron Ross keyboard grips. Really good. Stock handlebars. Really awesome. Stock brakes. Curb monkey tire. Stock. Stock wheel rim. Stock Eastern head stem. Stock Eastern forks. 2011 Eastern Nightwasp frame. Stock Eastern cranks. Pretty nice. Animal Hamilton blue pedals. Stock chainwheel Eastern. Right here. Yeah. Stock KMC silver chain. Aaron Ross Odyssey tire. Very nice. Some stock again rims, wheels. Shadow Conspiracy seat with stock seat clamp and Animal Hamilton seat post. Pivotal. That's my 2011.